10 tips to flirt with a guy or girl who you like. Welcome, Latif here. Before we begin with the video of today, I create and publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great videos. That being said, let's jump into the video. Flirting is a language, just like any other language. No one is born fluent flirt. If you want to know how to flirt like a pro, you just got to learn the signs. Follow these tips and practice till you become an expert flirt. Number 1. Choose your targets. You don't have to have a crush on someone in order to flirt. Practice flirting with random people you see every day. People who might not even be on your dating radar in order to have your skills. That way, you'll have some flirting experience under your belt when you approach the people who really matter. Number 2. Have an opening line. Find a reason to talk to the person. If you are in a class with them, come up with a question about the assignment. If they're standing in a line behind you at a concert, ask about the band. Get creative and be ready to respond to whatever they say. Number 3. Make eye contact. If you don't make eye contact, you look so bored and uninterested, and that's not an impression you want to give. Too shy to look them right in the eyes? Here's the trick. Look at the right spot between their eyes. It will look like eye contact to them. Number 4. Come up with a compliment. Pick one thing you like about the way they look, like their hair, their smile, or a piece of clothing. Let them know in a friendly way how much you like it. It will make them feel good and will open them up to you. If you can't think of an opening line for tip 2, a compliment will do. Number 5. Smile. You don't have to go all clown, but the idea is to look like you are enjoying talking to them, so be sure to throw them a smile whenever it makes sense. If they shoot one back, you'll know that they like talking to you too. Number 6. Flirt with your body. The body language you use when you flirt is just as important as what you say. Use your posture, point your body towards the person and try to find excuses to touch them. Number 7. Keep it light. You'll get a way better response if you chat about fun, happy stuff like your new puppy than serious or sad stuff like when your puppy got hit by a car. The point of flirting isn't to bare your soul or share your honest opinions about everything. It's to open the door to lots more conversation down the road. Number 8. Beware of awkward silences. Once the convo drags, it's probably gone for good. Fill an awkward silence by asking the other person a question. Can't think of one? Ask them about something they are wearing or something in the environment, like a painting on the wall or a music that's playing. Here's a tip. Many people like talking about themselves. So, showing genuine interest in others is a good way to get them talking while also letting them know you've got your eyes on them. Number 9. Wrap it up. If you're not interested in talking anymore, politely find an excuse to head off into the sunset. If you're interested, get them a way to get in touch with you, like phone number, Instagram handle, or Snapchat name. This is hopefully just your first conversation of many, so save some of that charm for the next time. Number 10. Practice, practice, practice. No one is perfect at flirting the first time around. If the idea of flirting still gives you butterflies, don't worry. It just means you need more practice. The more you flirt, the easier it will get. Okay, here's the summary of the 10 tips to flirt with a guy or a girl who you like. Number 1. Choose your target. Number 2. Have an opening line. Number 3. Make eye contact. Number 4. Come up with a compliment. Number 5. Smile. Number 6. Flirt with your body. Number 7. Keep it light. Number 8. Beware of awkward silences. Number 9. Wrap it up. Number 10. Practice, 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 practice. Okay, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it does help us to come up with new great content every day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next